Hello students, myself Pushpalata Kadam from Samarpan Gnyan School. Today we are going to study EVS Class 3 Chapter 7 Saying Without Speaking. Students, what do you understand by this? Saying without speaking. Saying without speaking means we have to express or we have to convey our message without speaking. Right? In this lesson, the teacher gave an activity to the children. She made groups of children and she gave them a chit on which different situations were written, and the children had to act and convey the message written on the chit. Right? So this is a game called dumb charades. Right? In this game, everyone has to let others know what they want to tell without speaking. Right? They have to express through their face and body actions. Right? So in this way, children, they started playing the game and they found it difficult. How do you feel when you have to express without speaking? Right? It is difficult to express without speaking. Right? It is difficult to act without speaking. Right? So there are some children who cannot speak or who cannot hear, and it is very difficult for them to convey their message or to express their feelings. Right? See in this picture how these children express themselves only by the body movements or by the actions. Most of us can hear and speak, but there are some people who can neither hear nor speak. Okay, these people talk through the actions. They understand what the other person is saying by studying their lip movements. Right? So all of us cannot do everything, right? Some of us are good at singing, others can write poetry good, then some are good at climbing trees, right? While some can run fast, some can draw well, others can sing in tune. So we all are special in our own ways, right? So we should respect each other. We should respect each individual, because each individual is special. Right? All of us are not same, but each of us has a speciality. Right? So in this way, in the school, children can learn many things from each other. Right? Children learn so many things from each other. Like all children who cannot speak and hear also go to school to read and write. Okay, they go to special schools, and in these schools they learn the sign language. Sign language means a language in which they have to make the hand movements, lip movements, and facial expressions to convey the messages. It is taught to them. Such type of sign language is taught to them in special schools. Right? Children, here there is a poem written by a girl about her sister. I have a sister. My sister cannot hear. Okay, let's read this poem. I have a sister. My sister is deaf. Deaf means she cannot hear. She is special. There are many things like, there are not many sisters like mine. So very few children are like this, who cannot hear, who cannot speak. Right? My sister can play the piano. She likes to feel the deep rumbling chords, but she will never be able to sing. So she plays piano, but she cannot sing. Right? She feels only. Okay? She cannot hear the tune. She likes to leap, to tumble, to roll, to climb up the top of the monkey bars. So she can do many other things, but she cannot hear or she cannot sing. Right? Now my sister has started going to school, although my mother still helps her speak and lip read at home. So now the sister has started going to school, and her mother helps her to speak and lip read at home. Right? Lip read means the lip movements by which they can express their feelings. Right? The teacher and children do not understand every word she says, like sister or water or thumb. So there are many words which her sister says, but the teacher and other children, they cannot understand that. Right? I wore my sunglasses yesterday. The frames were very large. The lenses are very black. My sister made me take them off when I spoke. What do my brown eyes say to her brown eyes? So when this girl, she wore the sunglasses and she went in front of her sister. Her sister made her remove those sunglasses because she could not see the eyes, right? And so she made her sister take off the sunglasses because she understands what her sister wants to say by looking into her brown eyes, right? So such children who cannot hear or who cannot speak, they understand the other what the other people want to say or what the other people feel by looking into their eyes, by making actions, that is hand movements, by facial expressions, right? And children, have you seen small children, very small children who cannot see these children, how the small girl is looking into the eyes of her sister and she made her take off her sunglasses. Okay, children, small children, very small children who cannot speak, but have you seen them, how do they express themselves? What do they do when they feel hungry? They start crying, right? Then they also express their feelings by their facial expressions, by the movements of their hand, even before they learn to speak. And they understand a lot. Even though they cannot speak, they understand a lot by looking at us, right? So the face is a mirror. Our face is a mirror. See in this picture, you can see this picture. There are two children and their faces are shown here, right? The first picture here you can see that the boy is smiling, that is, it shows that the boy is happy. And the next picture shows that the boy is not happy, he is sad, right? So in this way our face is a mirror. Okay, children, here are some examples of different situations. Here are some blank faces shown and you have to make the eyes, nose, mouth, right, according to the situation, right? See this, the first picture. In this first picture, this is a picture of a boy named Aftab. His favorite toy has fallen down and broken and he is sad. How will his face look? So you have to draw the eyes, nose, mouth in order to show the feelings that the boy is sad, right? This you have to do it in your textbook. The next picture is of Julie. Okay, this is Julie. Her little sister was born just yesterday. She is very excited. How will her face look? So she is very excited that her little sister was born, right? So she is very happy and excited. So you have to show how will her face look by drawing her eyes, nose and mouth in this picture. Do all this in your textbook. The next picture, this is Yamini's mother. Today while Yamini was taking out the bottle of pickle from the kitchen, it fell from her hand and broke. Draw the look on her mother's face. So, what do you think? How will her mother look? She will be angry because Yamini has broken the bottle of pickle, right? So you have to show the expressions on the face of Yamini's mother. The next picture, this is Rehana. She is afraid of dogs. While playing, suddenly a dog came in front of her. How will Rehana's face look? So you have to draw the expressions. Suddenly when a dog comes in front of you, what will happen? What will be your feelings? What will be the expressions? You will be shocked, you will be surprised, you will be what? Scared. All such types of expressions will be shown, right? So such type of expressions you have to show on this picture, on Rehana's face, right? So by looking at someone's face, we can tell if the person is happy, sad, or angry, isn't it? Even it has happened to you children sometimes that uh, you have done some mischief and your mother found out just by looking at your face. Has it happened to you anytime? You cannot hide your expressions. Your mother will catch you that you have done some mischief, right? So your face is just a mirror. Our face is a mirror. See this, children. What are these? These are the mudras, right? In dance. In dance, have you seen such type of mudras, right? In dance, what is done? In dance, different actions are done with the help of hands and the different what to tell. These are called mudras. These are used to convey the feelings and to convey the messages. These are called mudras. And bhavs. Bhavs means expressions which are shown on the face in dance, right? So these are also used in dance. The different mudras and bhavs. See children, there is here one story here. Okay, these are some pictures and look at these pictures and guess. Make your own story and tell the story to your friends and discuss. So this story you have to write down in your notebook by only by looking at these pictures. You can make your own story. Okay children, have you understood this lesson? Read this lesson. Thank you.